good to see you again. Today we have a science experiment. It's called a lemon volcano. So I have a lemon. Remember when we learned about trees? What is this? This grows on trees along with other citrus fruit. So we're going to use a lemon. And what color is this? That's right, yellow. It's a yellow fruit. And we have baking soda. And we have some food coloring. And we have a knife that only adults can use. So if you plan on doing this experiment, make sure that your parent is helping you. Okay. And I also have a dish to put it in. Alright, so we start by cutting the ends off the lemon. Like you can zoom in and see. I'm cutting the ends off. You don't need the ends. So I'm going to put it on the side. We're going to do 2 of them. So these lemons need to be used anyway. So I'm going to cut the ends off of both. So, what do you think's gonna happen when I put the baking soda and the lemons together? Maybe so. We will find out. That's why we call it an experiment. So we gotta dig the inside, the segments of the lemon to make room for the baking soda. So we squish it all up. Do it for both. The little triangles inside of a lemon and orange are called segments. So we're just gonna smush it all up, cut it, however, so we can make some room for that baking soda. Alright, that looks nice and juicy, that one. This one's gonna have a good reaction. Alright, the next thing we have to do is add the food coloring. So, what color is this? That's right, green. We put some dots all around in there for the food coloring. Alright. Now here comes the fun part. Alright. Ready, set, add. Oh, look at the sizzle already. And if it doesn't, look, it's growing, it's growing. So you take, your parent would take the knife and they would smush it around till it starts growing. It's growing. Look at that one. That one had a lot of juice in it, so that's probably why it's doing so good. I think my juice came out the bottom of this one, but it's working. It's just not as fancy as this one. Oh, there it goes. This is our lemon volcanoes. So the lemon juice and the baking soda make a chemical reaction and make little volcanoes. You see all these little bubbles? These are lemon volcanoes. I think that one's done. Oh, it's still going. Is that what you thought was going to happen to the lemons and the baking soda? It's very interesting. You can make volcanoes out of other things too, but the lemon has acid in it. You can use vinegar and baking soda and it would make a reaction. But this is a really cool experiment. Hope y'all enjoyed this experiment, and I'll see you next week. Bye!